Good morning, guys. Welcome to another beautiful day in Sugarloaf Key. We're just sitting out here on our balcony, taking in all the sights and sounds and getting ready to head out to Marvin Key. Over here to the right, you'll see boats heading out of the marina, and they're heading out to Marvin Key. Captain's getting us all situated. I'll give you guys a look at what we're seeing right now. It's so pretty out. Beautiful skies ahead. There's a pontoon heading out to Marvin Key. We might be able just to follow in their path. This actually ended up working out pretty good for us. We didn't plan it this way. We just were heading out on our boat, and as soon as we were heading out, another boat was heading out of the marina, and pretty much all those boats that are coming out of there are going out to Marvin Key for the day. So we just figured we would follow them because they have the pathway of all the channels where to go. And that way, once we go once with them, we'll know our way back from following our breadcrumbs back on our GPS. So it actually worked out really well. Up ahead is where we're coming to what they call Upper Sugarloaf Sound, and you're literally cutting through mangroves on each side. So it makes for a really smooth ride. It's really nice, and you come out the other side and open water and coming to Marvin Key. But this is a really cool place to go kayaking and paddleboarding because there's all these trails in there, and it's just very smooth and calm, and it was a great ride cutting through there. around the islands with that. Wow, look at this water, guys. It is gorgeous. This is Marvin Key up ahead here. Look at this nice little nook on Marvin Key. Out of the wind. It's kind of perfect. You can go up on land a little bit. There's a path. Benny anchored us just to this driftwood in here. It's perfect. Got us to amazing little piece of paradise. Look at that little walkway. There's some fishies. Oh, there's a barracuda. And I don't know, they blend in so well with the sand. That fish and that fish. I know that's a barracuda. I don't know what the other one is. Look at that though. Woo-wee. They just look like little torpedoes. They're just there. You don't even see them get there. They're just hovering there. The thinker? That a pretty picture right there. Got their own little raft and life vests. Isn't that adorable? They're enjoying the life. They're like, I dare you to jump in. No, you jump in. Their little tails wagging. Isn't that cute? Oh, what are they doing? Kite surfing over there? I guess it's a good day. It's windy. We had some pretty good wind when we got out to this open water, which was good for the kite surfers and entertaining for us. Just look at all this crystal clear water. It was so amazing. Got to try out our new anchor and it works pretty good. With all the wind that we had, we used the anchor stick too. Oh, this is so nice. The water is cool. I think Vinny said it was 80 degrees. This is perfectly cool. It's not too cold. It's not hot. It's refreshing. And there actually is a lot more boat traffic out here now. We left Marvin Key and came out to this other area that was really pretty and shallow. But there's been a lot of boats passing by. And over there is Marvin Key. That's where all the boats are heading to. You can see them all in the distance there. And I understand why, because it is absolutely beautiful. It's windy, but the wind actually makes it really nice. It's refreshing. You're not sweating. Just hanging out by the side of the boat. It's very shallow water, maybe a foot deep. A little too shallow to snorkel in. Just relaxing. People over there are having a great time with their pontoon boat. Got the slides in the back. getting ready to head back in. We had a great day out at Marvin Key. This was beautiful. And we're gonna put the motor back down and head out to deeper water. And it just worked out perfectly. The same time we were leaving, that pontoon boat was leaving too. And they're the ones that come from the marina next to us. So we just decided to follow them back. That same boat that we followed on our way out to Marvin Key ended up catching up to us and getting in front, so we ended up following them back. And there they go, back to the marina. Oh yeah. Dang. Look at that drop off. I'm feeling salty. Yeah, as I said, the rocks are probably have a ledge, and you can see all kinds of stuff there. Drove around forever looking for a parking spot, so now we're heading to Duval Street. He said, hey, film me. He's waving to the camera. Here you go, man. It's a little Italian restaurant.
Good evening.
Hi.
Hi. Two for dinner?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Dinner, you're welcome.
On the booth. I like it in here. Dark in here. We ordered the bread service, came out with some oil. This is more like a crispy bread. And then this is a very soft kind of bread, baguette. I don't know what you call that. Thank you. Vinny got a seafood dish with pasta and a bunch of different seafood on top. And I got a fettuccine and mushroom with asparagus and like a garlic oil on it. slept right through this, like he's used to it. He's adorable. Oh my gosh. I love you, orange kitty. Oh, Vinny's gonna try to take him home. Hi, buddy. Hi, aren't you so pretty? You're just a handsome fella. Yes, you are. What a good boy you are. Oh, they have little food and water out here for you. You get brushed. He's getting brushed. That's pretty cool. This was a very quick trip to Key West, and as Vinny would say, it was too people-y out there. We couldn't wait to get back to Sugarloaf. And as we're driving by, these people win the award for Best Mailbox. As always, we thank you for joining us on this beautiful, sunshiny day, and we hope you enjoy tagging along as we went to Marvin Key.